everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be talking all about what I'm packing for 10 nights away. Some people might call this a staycation, or you could just call it a holiday. I'm going away for 10 days in the UK. I'm going to be spending 4 nights in Bristol, 2 nights in Brighton and 4 nights in Kent. So I'm trying to pack light. I'm taking hand luggage on the aeroplane, so everything needs to fit. I think it's a 10 kilogram weight limit with EasyJet, so I've got to fit everything in, which is actually quite hard, I think. This bottom one, I'm going to put my book. I bought this book from a charity shop for £1 a few days ago. I think it's about a girl that goes off to do dancing and something happens. It might be a thriller. I don't know, but it sounds really good. So I wanted a book to throw away because I don't want to take a library book, read it and then have to lug it around. So I'll give this to someone and not be travelling home with it. So that's going in there. And in this top pocket I'm going to be keeping my passports and also maybe 1 face mask. I'll take this face mask. So I'm taking 3 reusable face masks, which might not be enough. But at the moment in England you don't actually have to wear a face mask, I think. And I'm now going to show you what clothes that I'm going to be packing. I like to use these packing cubes, and these are actually from TK Maxx. There was a large one. I packed that away. I'm not going to take the larger one, but I've got 2 smaller ones there. So in this one I'm going to be taking 3 pairs of ankle socks, 1 pair of normal socks and a sports bra, and 5 pairs of pants, so that's okay. And I'm also going to be taking 1 bikini because the 4 days in Kent there is a hot tub at my mum's house. So this is a bikini from Next. It's like high-waisted, and it was only £3 for the tops and £3 for the bottoms in the sale. So I'm going to put that all folded up into this packing cube, and then it's all together and I won't lose anything. So there it is. Ta-da! Okay, so now I'm going to be getting the clothes which I've already ironed, which is a bit annoying because I wasn't planning on this holiday, but then I booked it last minute because there's talk of another lockdown coming. So anyway, there's a few items on here that are ironed. Oops. What I want to take. For working out and walking the dogs, I'm going to take this purple Nike ombre sort of vest, which is dry fit, and then also these shorts, which I like because this bit's quite open, and then they've got a tighter lycra short underneath. I just think they're quite cool. Okay, then I'm going to take these 3 vests. So there's this blue one from New Look, this white one from River Island, and then this pink stripy one. And I really like this River Island one that I recently bought because it's got these sequins and bead detail here, and I don't actually have a lot of white clothes. And then for t-shirts I'm taking this navy fitted one from River Island, and then also this navy flower cotton one from Marks and Spencer's, and I'm probably going to wear this one on the aeroplane. And then also these black 3/4 length jeans. So I think this is Marks and Spencer's, cropped jegging. And then these are a bit more jeany sorts. I don't usually wear white jeans, but I'm trying to wear them a bit more. And they've got this folded cuff, which I've done because they're meant to be full length. So these are from Debenhams, I think. So these 2 are both from Primark, and I think they're £5 for these orange ones, which I'm probably going to need to iron. But they're nice because they've got this tie waist and they add a bit of colour. And then these black ones might have been £4, and they're nice because both pairs have decent pockets. Anyway, they're both very similar. So they're the 4 bottoms that I'm taking. I'm probably going to be wearing the black ones on the aeroplane. Pajamas, I'm going to just take 1 pair of pajamas. This pair from Next, nice and lightweight, some shorts and this grey t-shirt, so there they are. So I'll put those in the pile. And then for t-shirts I'm taking 1 pair of t-shirts. So this pair from Next, nice and lightweight, some shorts and this grey t-shirt, so there they are. So I'll put those in the pile. 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 This purple fleece from Muster I think goes with basically everything, but it's just really practical. I know it's not very cool, but the pockets will fit my phone and keys and whatever, dog poo bags. And then this cardigan is good for if we go anywhere smarter, or just if I need something a bit lightweight. So it's a Next cardigan, and it's just plain black. And then dress-wise, H&M dress, which is nice. It goes below my knee, and I can tighten it with a belt. I forgot to say earlier, but the bra that I'll be wearing on the airplane is one that you can take the straps off, so that'll be useful. And I'm also going to be wearing a leather belt. So this is a real leather belt. I can't remember where it's from, but I think that will go with a lot of the clothes that I've already packed. I like to keep this bag, so I put my dirty laundry in this bag from Blacks. It's just a basic carrier bag. But for flying now, I'm actually going to be taking these sandals. They look a bit dirty, but they're all dirty, I suppose. So I like them because they've got a proper decent tread. So they're from Caramel, and they're good for walking. I would go on a proper walk up Dover Cliffs or something wearing these, if it's warm, which it will be, hopefully. So that's all going to go in here. And then dirty laundry will be going in there as well, just to keep it all separate from all my other stuff. So it goes nicely like this, and then I put it in somewhere. It's best to store it towards the bottom, I think. So in the other packing cube, I put things like, I take omega-3 and a multivitamin, and I've got 10 of each in here, so I can throw this away at the end of the holiday. And then I've also got prescription, and I need to go and get more prescriptions to put in here. I'm taking 3 cough sweets, and hair bubbles, and a scrunchie, which I might actually wear this one on the aeroplane. And then I'm taking my frozen hairbrush. It's the little one. Tangle Teaser Compact. It's just cute. And then I'm taking this blacking out sleep mask for if I want to sleep on the coaches, trains, airplanes, maybe even the car, but probably not. And then I'm also going to take some hair clips and stuff. I'm taking 3 pairs of earrings, a necklace, and quite a few hair clips because I'm quite into hair clips. So they're all in this little pouch. So that's all going to go in here. Oh, wait, actually something else random is that I'm taking loads of tea bags because my sister doesn't drink tea, so I'm taking them. So this is actually a kid's toothbrush because my gums are getting worn out. The dentist told me to use a kid's toothbrush. So usually at home I use an electric toothbrush, but I'm not packing that. I'm just taking this kid's one. This laundry bag from Lakeland, I'm going to be putting this into this pouch just to keep it together. So this is for washing face masks and washing pants and stuff, so they don't get mixed up with everyone else's. Just keep that in there. I'm taking a lot of my makeup is liquid, so it's going to be going into my liquid bag, but there's some other stuff which I'm going to put into this pouch from Cath Kidston. So that includes some tweezers from Primark, powder, what's this called? Bronzer, a eyelash brush, liner from Urban Decay, and that's the brown one, and then also this Benefit brow powder, and some eyelash colours, a MAC lipstick, and also I'm taking just these brushes. So this is the little Real Techniques kit. Oops. So I think it came with these 3, and then I purchased this Expert Face brush separately, but I keep it in there. And then I'm also taking this eyebrow brush. So that is a total of 5 brushes. I don't know, it's not actually going to fit. I'll put the eyebrow one in here, and this one can be separate, and then it's all going into here. So it's like that, good to go. Okay, then toiletries wise, it all has to fit into this plastic bag so it can go on my carry-on and go through security. So I'm taking this hand sanitizer, and then this is to wash my face. Hopefully I'm going to use this up. I'll probably not because there's that much left. And then this deodorant, which is nearly running out, so I won't have to bring that home. And the same with this toothpaste, actually. I'm taking eye drops because my eyes are so itchy these days. And then this moisturiser along with this sun cream, which is SPF 50. And then I'm taking these tanning drops to try and maintain my tan while I'm away. So they balance me. And I'm going to mix that with some moisturiser, which I'm probably going to buy over there. And then also hand cream. And this is eye cream, which has been put into this little container, decanted. And this is the Lush Sleepy Cream, also decanted into that. And I'm taking one thing of sun cream, but I might need to buy some more if it's actually hot. Oh no, I've got this one as well. Okay, and then sort of makeup wise, these are the liquids that I'm taking. I've got this colour corrector, then this eraser for my eyes, and this General Collection Lasting Perfection concealer, and then this little mascara from Benefit, and then this My Burberry Eau de Toilette thing. So that's everything. I always find it quite hard to fit everything in. Okay, then I'm also going to take one bag with me. I wanted to take one that was very lightweight and easy to pack, so it's going to have to all fit into my little carry-on case. I didn't want to take a tote bag because that's not exactly as smart, but I like this one from Oasis, so it's like fake leather and it's quite a slouchy design, but it's big enough to fit a water bottle, which is important for me. I've got two hats. I'm not sure if I'm going to take both, because this one will be good for walking mum's dogs and going out and about, but this really is not cool, is it? And then this is my new bucket hat from Primark, so it was £3, and I just think it's quite cool, but then I'm not sure about it. I don't know, I'll probably take both, but then I feel a bit silly wearing this sometimes. I'm not sure 100%, but I'll definitely be taking this one. All packed, but now I'm actually a bit worried because it doesn't look like a lot, so maybe I've forgotten something. I'm gonna have to think about it. I've made a little list of things I need to pack closer to the time, and if there is anything I've forgotten, I suppose I can always just buy it there because I'm not really going very far. We'll see, and I need to check the weather forecast again, but I hope my clothes will be okay. But I'm going to be packing a lightweight coat, unless it does. No, I just think I can't really go in the UK without a lightweight coat for 10 days, so I'll be wearing that on the airplane or tying it around my waist. Yeah, so that's it. Well, it actually does feel quite heavy, so hopefully they don't check or it is below the 10 kilograms. I don't know why it's heavy, I think all the toiletries. But anyway, that's it. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please remember to give it a like, and bye.